Hi, you are wondering how you can make over $20,000 a month? Then you need to watch this short video to the end. I'm going to introduce you to the best service in the top payment category that I have been working with for a long time. This is one from the leading and reliable payment gateways that has never let me down. I will tell you 7 interesting life hacks that are very useful and which make it really one of the best in the top payment category. It's about Authorize.net. I will leave the link to the official site under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Authorize.net is one of the oldest, leading and trusted payment gateways today. The main features of Authorize.net that are of particular interest to e-commerce store owners are: online payment processing allows you to accept credit card payments through your site and online auction sites. E-check processing allows you to accept electronic checks from bank accounts through your website or Authorize.net virtual terminal. Mobile payment processing allows you to accept payments from your mobile device. Processing postal or telephone payments allows you to manually accept payments by entering payment information into the Authorize.net virtual terminal. Automatic rebilling allows you to accept and manage recurring or subscription payments through the web store. Advanced fraud detection allows you to identify, manage, and prevent suspicious and/or fraudulent transactions with customizable rule-based filters and other tools. Secure customer data management allows you to identify and store sensitive customer financial information on secure Authorize.net services for PCI DSS compliance. Syncwo QuickBooks allows you to import settled transactions directly into your QuickBooks account. Authorize.net allows you to accept payments over the internet, mail, telephone, retail terminals, and mobile phones. Digital payment solutions such as Apple Pay and Visa Checkout are provided, and all setup is monitored and handled by people on the support team. Online account access is quite easy to use, as it allows you to view and manage the transactions that take place every day. Feel free to view account settlements and download reports for sending to other shareholders in your organization. One of the interesting parts of the online interface is the ability to create multiple user accounts with specific permissions for each user. So for example, you may not want one of your employees to have access to reports, so you can block them. Syncing with QuickBooks only takes a few minutes, and it opens many doors in terms of reporting and managing your finances. Finally, the system has a transaction data API to get information about all of your transactions. This comes into play for details in your account for future predictions. To use Authorize.net, you first need a payment gateway that will allow you to connect to its services and obtain authorization for transactions. You can register directly through Authorize.net, but instead you might prefer a merchant account provider, which will also allow you to connect to Authorize.net. However, if you're going directly to Authorize.net, the current pricing structure is available in 3 different flavors. The website recommends the all-in-one option, which is a route that allows Authorize.net to set up both a merchant account and a payment gateway. There is no setup fee, and the monthly gateway fee is $25 plus transaction fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents. Alternatively, the payment gateway only option is best if you already have a merchant account. There is no setup fees, no monthly gateway fee of $25 plus a 10-cent transaction fee, and a daily bundle fee of 10 cents. Finally, there is a customized pricing option for businesses that process over $500,000 per year. Authorize.net offers many opportunities for medium to large businesses with a great set of features that work very well. However, any signer will definitely pay for the privilege, and this is one of the more expensive credit card processing options. However, for a higher cost, you get better features, which in the case of Authorize.net means better fraud protection. This includes 13 customizable fraud filters regarding IP, transactions, delivery, and also speed. The latter limits the number of transactions allowed per day or hour in order to root out high-volume fraud. Helpful if you are, no doubt, very worried. Authorize.net can also handle several types of cards including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, JCB, PayPal, Visa SRC, Apple Pay, Chase Pay, and eCheck. It is also possible to set up recurring payments and billing. Additional features like automatic account renewal keep your business on top of loyal customers. You should know that most hosted e-commerce platforms provide integration of various payment gateways including Authorize.net as part of the plan you buy from them, with varying prices and terms. Therefore, if you're setting up your store on any of the hosted platforms, you should test them with a payment gateway and associated fees, etc. before subscribing directly from any gateway. Once you have successfully registered with Authorize.net, they will allow you to set up and display your verified merchant seal on the website. Displaying such a seal can lead to increased trust, increased shopper confidence, and ultimately lead to fewer cart balances in your online store. You can customize this seal by logging into your trading interface. Since all merchants are legally required to comply with the payment card industry data security standard, Authorize.net will guide you through the steps to get to the point where your customers' data is fully protected through the system. For example, they will help installing and maintaining a firewall to block customer card data. You will also find a lot of information on how not to use default values for system passwords and other security measures. Basically, you have 12 requirements that must be met in order to legally accept payments from customers. Authorize.net not only provides information on this on the website, but the customer support team is always ready to guide you through the basics. Since Authorize.net has been around for quite some time, it has perfected the art of security by increasing customer confidence in your organization and giving you some confidence in your own system. Reports are part of the Authorize.net system, but the main reason many companies use Authorize.net is because it integrates directly with QuickBooks. This saves valuable time when trying to analyze your profits and create your own financial statements. The setup is straightforward and you only need to go through a one-time setup process. This works well with your current QuickBooks account, and when you start talking to people on Authorize.net, they'll ask questions about your QuickBooks and walk you through the integration if necessary. Overall, the reports are as they should be. Nothing crazy, but complete enough and compatible with QuickBooks. This is good enough for most companies without any overly unique reporting needs. You won't find very low prices with Authorize.net. The prices aren't terrible, but the setup, transaction, and gateway fees are all part of the setup. However, people still seem to want to pay for Authorize.net because of security and support. The standard knowledge base comes with your user account, and you can even access the knowledge base if you are not a customer. It provides support for merchants, retailers, branch offices, and corporate offices. Popular and recent articles are organized in tabs and are based on tickets that have been submitted from users in the past. Feel free to sign up and look for issues that arise for you, and consider submitting your own tickets if you cannot find an article for your specific situation. For those who want to talk to a real person, a free phone number is issued. The support line is open 24/7, but you'll have to stick to the knowledge base during the big holidays. In my experience, the support team is very knowledgeable and the online resources are some of the best. You get access to videos, articles, and case studies. Since Authorize.net has been around for quite some time, the support database is filled with information. They have truly honed their customer support skills and put together a team of decent people ready to help you at any time.